off the beach. Wait, what is that?
A treasure map. X marks the spot.
Oh no! The sand is too soft. Happy Bus is stuck. He needs excavator power to move in the sand. Click the red button to help him transform. Transformation complete. Excavator Bus is ready to dig. My tracks are strong. Let's find that treasure. Dig! Dig, dig. Look at that big scoop.
I found something hard. It's the chest.
Ho! It is very heavy. What is inside? Whoa! Gold coins, diamonds, and a new toy ball. We found the treasure! Do the excavator dance! Subscribe for more treasure hunts. Bye-bye!